The loud thundering and boom sound heard in Bangalore was not an earthquake or explosion, said by the officials. The loud noise heard across the Bangalore was the sonic boom from the Indian Army Force test flight from the Defense Ministry, and this has created rumors of earthquakes and even aliens. The Indian Air Force in a statement indicated towards the sonic boom as the source of sound, but also admitting that none of its aircraft from its training command was airborne during that time. And also a few other officials have responded to the statement of the loud noise heard in Bangalore with the denial that it was a sonic boom. A deafening sound was heard on Wednesday afternoon around 1:20 p.m. that created panic across the Bangalore. And Ministry of Defense has mentioned their message in social media that it was a routine Indian Air Force test flight involving a supersonic profile which took off from Bluru Airport and flew in the allotted airspace well outside the city limits. The aircraft was of Aircraft Systems and Testing Establishment. The sonic boom was probably heard while the aircraft were decelerating from supersonic to subsonic speed, that is between 36,000 and 40,000 feet altitude. The aircraft was far away from the city limits when it occurred. The sound of a sonic boom can be heard and felt by an observer even when the aircraft is flying as far as 65 to 80 kilometers from the person. And also few people spread the new rumors that the noise sounded like an aftershock from an earthquake. And few others claimed that the windows and the doors has been shook. Karnataka State National Disaster Management said there was no earthquake activity recorded on Wednesday in Bangalore. The seismometers did not capture any ground vibration as generally happens during a mild tremor.